Actually, it's a new experience for me kasi whenever I travel, lagi kami DIY. And first time ako sumali sa isang group tour. And relaxing siya. I mean, like, as a DIY traveler, I don't have to worry about anything. Talagang follow the leader lang. So, I think I'm gonna do this all the time when I travel. And, you know, as a traveler, it saves time, saves money, saves everything. And it's really fun. Super smooth, super efficient. Hindi siya kalat-kalat kasi mayroong mga tour na parang sobrang gulo. Avian, lahat smooth, lahat efficient. And talagang as a customer, hindi ka mahihirapan kasi talagang follow the leader, my time, and like everything's maayos. That's it. Thank you so much for this opportunity and talagang na-experience mo sa amin yung ganda ng Korea. And yeah, thank you for Heartfelt Korea 2025. Sana maulit. Wah! Okay. Thank you so much, Avian Summit!